In primetime news this evening, anxiety and questions. People under 50 turned away after seeking second dose of the COVID vaccine. No vax, no dance. Wholeness sends a clear message that reopening of entertainment sector depending on vaccination rate. And Delta dominant. WHO says Indian variant of COVID virus becoming the dominant strain in the world.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what are your thoughts about the move to delay giving people under 50 years old a second dose of the COVID vaccine. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.